I have
or
to.
you can put it on your hands.
Take it. Oh, beautifully done. Oh, that's beautifully done. So we can solve this problem. But we are lazy, and you have to do all the things, and you have to bend and to put it out from the ground. But guys, let's not to be very what? Lazy. Let's not to be very lazy. Okay, Alice, it's not a lesson of morality. It's a lesson about what?
English.
So what is our next point?
Are you saying we can check where?
That's great. That's a great idea. Thank you very much. And you told me in English we have endings, but it's just a lot of fun. How many endings do we have in English?
One.
One or two or three, you told me something, because I like music, she
likes.
No, that's funny. It's a lot of fun, my dear friends. Thank you very much. And maybe we will find more, but it's a lot of fun, because practically no endings in which language? In English, but they have what? Word order. Word order. And the last, we will go, I don't want to talk more about it, because, okay, it's not the point of our class. But the last, what I would like to say, you can change word order, you can change, but you have to have some kind of reasons. And the most important reason, why do you change the word order? You have to underline, you have to highlight this point. You have to give more sense to that point. You have to give more color to this point. At World War II, Russian soldiers were very brave. Repeat.
At World
War II, Russian soldiers were very brave. I underlined, I highlighted which part? At World War II, because it's so terrible, it's so horrible, and I would like to highlight it, to give more color to it. I would like people would listen more about this. Okay, Alice, it doesn't mean that each time you have to. Well, shall I put it on the first place, on the second place, in the middle? No. You do it using your intuition. Repeat. Intuition. Can you translate intuition?
Intuition.
Thank you very much. Okay, you have to use your intuition, because it's crazy when you want to speak Russian using all Russian rules. How can you do that? Can you use all Russian rules to speak Russian?
Yes.
Nice. In this case, your Russian teacher is very good, and you know Russian how well?
I think.
Very well. But most people don't think about rules. Why? I saying most, I'm sure it is 90% or maybe 95%, and only 5% like you. Before saying a phrase, think about what?
Many
Rules. Only 5%. Other people don't think about rules at all. They use what? Intuition. Okay, so it's a big lecture about structure, but it's the main point. Which is the main point? Which is the difference between English and Russian? This one. Can you say which one?
In Russia we don't have words order.
Nice. And we have?
Endings.
Good. And we connect words in a sentence
With ending.
With endings, British people connect words in a sentence with what?
Words order.
What kind of hesitant ideas do you have? What kind of hesitant ideas you have? I have a hesitant idea to go there alone at...
Night.
Okay.
Freezing.
Okay. Hesitant idea. And now we will make adverb from which part of speech? From adjective. And it will be what?
Hesitantly.
Please write down. Hesitantly. I went there hesitantly. I went there. Yes.
When his hometown became popular with tourists, he became a taxi driver, and now he is running a small business very successfully.
Nice pronunciation. Repeat. Successfully.
Successfully.
Success.
Success.
Successfully.
Successfully.
Bravo. You had a lot of problems. Again, the same story. Successful. What part of speech is it?
It's adjective. Well, no,
Oh, good. It's adjective.
Yes.
And successfully. Repeat. Successfully.
Successfully.
What part of speech?
Adverb.
Adverb comes together with what?
Verb.
Verb. Can you make a sentence? Successfully make a sentence.
He did his work very
Successfully. Okay, he did his work. How? Как?
Yeah, very successful.
Very successfully. Bravo.